to know fix the iPhone Plus.
All right, so we have a neighbor who has sent this Roomba to Wyatt to fix, and it is an iRobot Roomba i4 Plus, and it's getting the error 26 message, which means it's getting insufficient airflow. And here it is on the phone. All right, so we have tried replacing the filter, we've cleaned it thoroughly, we've tried rebooting it, and now the only thing left to do is to change out the cleaning head module. Yeah. So we are gonna switch it out with our cleaning head module from our i3 Plus and find out if that's actually the problem. Okay, so Wyatt, why don't you let it run and show our viewers what it does?
Okay.
So this is what happens when it tries to go. All right, so it'll go just a few feet and then you get the error message. All right, so Wyatt's gonna try to fix it. All right, Wyatt is gonna show you how to take out the cleaning head module.
It's so easy.
Says it's so easy. All right, so you remove the brushes first.
You don't need this one.
And you unscrew the back. Just a couple of screws there, right?
Yeah.
You have to take out the little side brush first, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
We switched the batteries.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, we tried switching the batteries too to see if that helped, but it didn't. All right. So this is the cleaning head module that he's now taking out. It just has a couple of screws and then it
That's 4 screws.
pops right out.
4 screws.
4 screws.
I'm not gonna take out batteries.
Okay, you don't need to take out the battery. And there it is. That's the cleaning head module. Very easy to remove.
No.
All right, so let's set that one to the side and then we'll take out the other one, okay?
Okay.
All right, so Wyatt has disassembled the i3 Plus. And he's now going to put the cleaning head motor from the i3 Plus into the i4 that's not working. All right, here we go. We just have to get everything reassembled.
Yeah.
And then figure out if it works.
I don't know if it's gonna work.
I hope it does. All right, Wyatt has successfully put them both back together. This is the i4 with the new cleaning head module. So moment of truth. Let's see if you fixed it, Wyatt.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
What is it doing? That is home. I think I accidentally pushed home.
Okay, push the right button.
It's going home.
That's weird.
Oh. There's nothing in it.
Maybe we need to reboot it and then try it out. How about that?
Just try it.
There it goes.
What? It's glue again. It's glue.
I think we need to give it a reboot. Okay?
Because it's going home.
Yeah, that's weird.
So, wait, Mommy, I have an idea.
Okay.
Let's put it on the bed and then start it. Now, wait for a little bit. Start. Usually it stops right there.
I know it's the furthest it's ever gone. I think you fixed it, Wyatt.
Yay! Let's let it clean for a little bit.
All right.
Says we just fixed it.
Another success story. There you go.
No, I bet this one does the same problem.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see if the i3 Plus does the Error 26 now.
I don't think it's going to.
So at least we know exactly what the problem was. It just needed a new cleaning head module.
Doesn't make.
There you go.